Imani, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now today is the first. I am going to be reviewing this 30-inch UPART wig from Alipearl hair. The UPART is super full and the texture is a body wave. Instead of me keeping it in its natural state, I did end up flat ironing the wig just to give it a seamless look with my natural hair since it is currently straightened. I did put product in the hair, and this is the Mazzani finishing spray, and I sprayed this on and I flat ironed it just to give it a nice little shine. And my hair is a little bit greasy right now, so I wanted the hair to actually shine with my hair, and I think this did a very good job. I'm using my same flat iron that I usually always use, and the heat is on 500 degrees. And as you can see, this hair is straightening very well. I only had to do maybe 1 or 2 passes of the flat iron, and it was straight. Look how silky it is. Once the wig was all straight, I am going to take my braid out so I can part out the top of my head because I want to have a middle part with this UPART wig. UPART wigs used to be so popping when I was in high school, so I'm so glad that they are making a comeback. They're very easy, very convenient, especially for me right now because my hair is straight. So I want to have a deep middle part, so I'm going to part out a decent amount of hair so that the part is long and that there is enough hair to cover up the tracks. Once I've parted it, I'm going to take the rest of my hair, comb it back, and put it in a nice braid. I'm not using a wig cap with this because, again, we are leaving the hair out at the top, but I am going to unclip the wig combs and just slide it right on the hair like such. Here is how it looked, nice and seamless without me even combing down my hair. It fits super flat, and I don't even have French braids in. I just have a little braid straight to the back. Now I'm going to part my hair down the middle and just comb the hair over. This was super duper easy. I really loved how this texture did blend in with my natural hair. It's not the exact same color, but it was still a very good fit. So if you do want to try out this UPART wig yourself, it's convenient, it's easy. I'm going to link everything to this UPART down below. I pulled out a little bit of my edges just so you can get a more natural look and some wispy baby hairs. And as you can see, it's nice and shiny. It's nice and long and full all the way to the tips. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.